The best rollouts work because teams have a clear structure to follow. You don't need a huge, detailed project plan. You just need enough clarity to give everyone confidence and focus so you can turn your plan into action. A good rollout doesn't try to cover everything on day one. Instead, it starts small, learns quickly, and scales up with confidence. Most successful teams think in three phases. Phase one is your pilot. That's a small, manageable launch with limited use cases and channels. It's designed to get signal fast and start improving from there. Phase two is reviewing and refining, using your early metrics and reviewing your conversations to improve what's already live, adding content and fine-tuning guidance. Phase three is all about expansion, so supporting new use cases, new channels, or including more customer segments, building on what's already working and fixing what isn't. Once you've mapped out your phases, you need to figure out what's happening when. A lot of teams use a simple 30, 60, 90-day format, but the exact cadence is yours to decide. For example, in this one, if you have day 1 to 30 as your launch to first review, day 30 to 60 might be about making improvements based on any feedback, and day 60 to 90 might be about expanding if the metrics are healthy. Now, even if your rollout is broad, the phased mindset will help you avoid becoming overwhelmed so you can build momentum over time. One note here, though, is that you may want to wait to gather enough data for analysis between these times. Sometimes, if your cycles are too short, you won't have the conversation volume to realistically analyze performance and figure out what's happening. If you're rolling out your AI agent with Intercom, we've got a tailored version of a checklist that our customer success team uses. Now, we know that not everyone is using Intercom, so we've also created a generic version that you can use with any platform. Let's take a look. So the structure is simple, clear, and designed to scale with your rollout. It breaks down the areas of your rollout into manageable chunks. First, define your goals and success criteria. Handling change management and team comms, internal training and enablement, ownership and timelines, and how you'll manage and share success. And it's really easy to assign owners, visualize the timeline, track each item status, and understand the outcome that you're trying to achieve. You don't have to tackle it all at once. Just having this view up front gives you a clear runway to aligning your team, setting expectations, and avoiding blockers, and tracking who's doing what. If you're working with other teams or stakeholders like support or engineering, this will be your shared source of truth. So we advise you to use this as a living doc. Don't treat it like homework, treat it like your guidebook. You can adjust it, adapt it, and evolve it as your rollout progresses. A simple, thoughtful plan is the difference between a rollout that drifts and one that performs well and continues to progress.